stabilize. Activate.
Welcome back, guys. Today we are gonna do something fun. We will be making a flying TIE fighter from Star Wars from paper. So we will need for the wings 4 of these and 1 of these for the canopy. Also, we will need a little flight controller and receiver, 4 brushed motors, 4 propellers, and 1 tiny battery. Everything will be linked in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so what I am doing here is pre-cut the pieces that we will need, and then I will be gluing using this glue to a thicker paper like this, and then I will be final cut the pieces. That way these will be much stronger than just this printing paper. So let's continue the work. Okay, now it's all finished and drying. Now we just have to wait and we can final cut them. Okay, finally I have everything cut it out, these little pieces. That was fun. Now the hard part. Let's assemble this thing. Okay, here is a little tip. I will be gluing this plastic piece. By the way, this is a clay tablet. I cut that from that, and I will be gluing this between these two for additional support. And this way the wings will be much more stronger. And then this will be glued here. And that's how the wings assembled. Okay, for the battery, I will be using this. This is two tiny whoop batteries connected to parallel, so it makes a bigger one cell LiPo. And this type of battery is pretty good because it will fit perfectly inside this piece. This is the piece that holds the wings together. So this will sit here like this, and this will be glued together. Okay, so what I did there is cut little reliefs here and here for the props so they can spin freely. Nice. And glued the motors to the wings. So now only thing left is to extend these wires because they are a little bit short and solder them to the flight controller and do the same thing on the other wing. Okay, I am finished the soldering. All motors are in place and soldered. I think it turned out pretty good. It's looking good. Here is the flight controller. So the only thing remains is to solder back on this little receiver and put the canopy back on. And this will be looking awesome. Okay guys, it is ready to take off. I think it turned out pretty good. In the back there is a little cutout for the plug, and here I can charge the battery inside. So this is how it looks. It is pretty good, huh? It has a little light on it. I can show you. So here is it. The flight controller lights up the canopy. Pretty cool. Okay, let's do a flight test.